Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Hello everyone. Today is a nice day. Actually, it's the first time I'm drinking tea, black tea. Something eat rice pop and eat a biscuit maybe first. Second time I eat vegetables, fresh vegetables, fresh vegetables. Actually, this color is a very nice color, vegetables color. Love it. Vegetables is very tasty. Just I eat first time vegetables, fresh vegetables, not cook it. This vegetables color and beautiful and vitamin C. You every day, not morning time and afternoon time and morning time, night time, just eating it, fresh vegetables. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Just try. Allah Hafiz. Goodbye.